How to enable feats in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable this feature. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now, we are in this settings interface. Here on the left, there are different options that you can choose from. Simply select and match. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find the option called Feats. Simply tap on it. Now here, you'll be able to know what does Feats do. When a player is accomplishing something highlight worthy, ice tricks, it will be disabled. So this is a feature that is really useful and can be displayed for better graphics and different experience too. So if there are anything in the game like different killing streaks or even some victory, there will be some lightings and different animation involved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.